hope you're well and having the most incredible day. As always, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm filming my February favourites, which is absolutely insane. The fact that January and February are now done, mental. This month I have loved such a wide range of things, from skincare, beauty, accessories, fragrance, makeup, everything. So yeah, it's been a very good month. It's been very busy and I feel like it has gone by so quick. Anyone else? Might just be me, but February just went like that. So I feel like I am scared that it's going to be December before we know it, but I'm not going to wish time away. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give it a massive thumbs up if you haven't already, and subscribe so you don't miss any more videos. But yes, without further ado, I'm going to jump in to my February favourites. Enjoy. So the first favourite of February has been the Be Nourished Night Serum, which is, I believe, Superdrug's own brand for cosmetics, makeup, etc. I have had this a little while, so I'm not sure whether the packaging might have changed, I'm not sure, but I am slowly trying to go through all of my skincare products, my Lush products, my makeup, and really use something for a long time and finish it. So I've been doing that with this and I really love it. It's suitable for vegans and vegetarians, and it's also cruelty free, and that's basically it. It's a night serum, but I do sometimes use it in the day. I had it on earlier and then put my makeup on top, and it just makes it sit nice. I think it just makes my face look really moisturised and soft and, like, I don't want to say juicy because that's not the right word, but you guys know what I mean. But this is a night serum, like I said, and it is Skin Phase 1, but I'll show you the texture on my hand. It looks like this. I don't know if you guys can see that. I don't want to put loads on, but it's just there. And when you rub it in, it's a really light consistency, and then you literally rub it in and it's gone. And I love that. I love serums rather than moisturisers because they're so much lighter, but yeah, can't complain about this. Absolutely love it. And I think I've nearly finished it because it feels really light. So yeah, hopefully I'll finish this in March. If not, definitely April, but loving that. Next up, moving on to makeup favourites. The first item is the L'Oreal Telescopic Mascara. I think I may have mentioned this last month, but I can't quite remember. But I'm still loving this. I love the brush. It's a really thin plastic brush. It looks like this, but it's really great if you want kind of long lengthening lashes. I personally find that this isn't overly thickening though, so if you want thicker lashes, probably not the best to go for, but for lengthening and things like that, this works really well, and I really like it. So I feel like I can't go into too much detail with a mascara. I like it. It was really popular, which is why I bought it. I wanted to try it out. Is it my favourite ever? I don't know, but I am loving it this month. So yeah, that is that. Not very exciting, but it's the one I'm using and I love it. The next item is the Essence Wet Look Lip Gloss in the shade Plump Me Up. I have it on today. I really like it. It's clear. It's got a bit of shimmer. It's got a plumping effect to it, but it's nowhere near as strong as the Too Faced ones. It's really comfortable, not sticky. I can't really rate these enough. I think they're one of the best lip glosses I've ever used, and I've used MAC, I've used Urban Decay, I've used NYX, I've used loads of lip glosses, but these are by far my favourite, and I got it from Wilkinson's, which is a shop in the UK that sell everything at a really affordable price. So these are about £2, I think, really inexpensive, and I cannot recommend these enough. Honestly, Essence lip glosses are the one. So love this. Can't ramble on about it too much, but I'm really impressed with these, honestly. The next makeup favourite is my foundation, and that is the Maybelline New York Superstay 24-Hour Full Coverage Foundation, the longest name for a foundation in the entire world. This one is a few shades too dark, but I do lighten it with the Body Shop Lightning Drops, and I really like this. It is very full coverage, as it says on the tin. It is a full coverage foundation, and I don't normally like full coverage, but because I mix it with the Lightning Drops, it almost kind of dulls it down a bit, which makes it an amazing consistency for me to use, because it's not overly cakey and it's not... I hate the feeling of makeup on my face, and I only wear makeup on a Saturday when I film. So yeah, I'm really enjoying this. It is a few shades too dark, like I said, but it's definitely a foundation you should try if you want a full coverage, high duty foundation. It's great. It's wonderful. It smells nice. It's great. 10 out of 10. Love this. I feel like I can't ramble on about this too much because it is just a foundation, but I really love this, and it's definitely worth a try if you're after a new one, especially if you like the full coverage kind of vibe. My eyeshadow palette favourite of the month has definitely been my Urban Decay Wild West palette. I did a whole video on this palette. If you've not seen it, definitely check it out because I go into detail about the colours, you see me use it and that kind of thing. I have been in love with this palette for the past 2 weeks or so. 3 weeks, 2 weeks, however long I've had this for. I've been obsessed. These are the colours. I'm going to try not to blind you with my mirror, but these are the colours in the palette. I absolutely love the shades Nude, Bud, Rustler and Ghost Town. They have been my go-tos over the past few weeks. I don't actually have it on today. I'm wearing the Urban Decay, what palette is it called? I can't remember now. It was another naked palette, but not this one. And I just love this palette so much. The colour Bud and even the colour Tex, which is this colour. I really want to do like an all over blue look with those colours. I think it would look amazing, but yeah, 10 out of 10. I'm so obsessed with this. Definitely worth the money, and if you're into Urban Decay naked palettes, you need this in your collection because it's just unbelievable. I actually have every single naked palette and I feel like I maybe should do a video on them all, but let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, this one did not disappoint. It's so good, so worth the money, and I just feel like everybody needs a bit of Wild West in their life, so buy it, thank me later, you're welcome. My next favourite of the month has been an accessory, and I actually bought this from Sainsbury's of all places. I needed a bigger kind of everyday bag and I saw this and I was like, I'm just gonna buy it. It was £16, really affordable, definitely Primark pricing but new look quality, if you know what I mean. And that is this really beautiful black snake skin, crocodile skin print backpack. Firstly, I love the size of this. It's absolutely massive and you could definitely put all your overnight stuff in this, but I love the fact it's got a separate pocket at the front. It's a great size, it's sturdy, it's just really nice, and it's really, I don't want to say high fashion because it's not necessarily high fashion, but it's just got such a really nice fashionable vibe about it. I don't know, I'm really impressed with this purchase. It's really good quality, especially for £16. I did not expect to find a gem like this in Sainsbury's whilst doing a weekly food shop, so let me know if you've ever bought anything from like a supermarket because this is amazing. I love this, it's just so nice. But yeah, I really love this. Sainsbury's, you have done me proud. This is an amazing purchase, such good quality, and for £16 it's a bargain. So yeah, that's definitely been a favourite of mine for the past few weeks. And last but not least, moving on to all of my Lush favourites. The first item is the Roots hair treatment. Now yes, I did mention this in my last video, but I have been absolutely loving this again this month, so I feel like it's only fair to give it a shout out again. This is a scalp treatment that encourages hair growth. It makes your scalp feel so clean and fresh and amazing. It's so good. I honestly love it. It's a mint fragrance, so it just smells amazing, and as you can see, it doesn't look like I've used any of it, but I promise you I have. I just don't need an awful lot because my head is quite small, if that makes sense. Like the surface area of my scalp is quite small, so I don't use a lot, and it is relatively expensive. I think it's about £25 for this pot, so I don't want to go using loads and having to buy another one. But yeah, I love this. I've always loved this. Roots hair treatment has my heart and I will always buy it, and as soon as I finish this one I will buy another one. So I can imagine that this will be a favourite of mine all year round. So if I don't mention it in another video, just know that I'm still loving it because I will always love Root scalp treatment. It's so good. Honestly, if you want your hair to grow, buy this. Trust me, and thank me later, it's amazing. And last but by no means least is my fragrance favourite of the month, and that has also been a Lush item, and that is the Celebrate Lush perfume, which smells like Golden Wonder Bath Bomb. It smells amazing. It's got a very beautiful citrusy, like Bucks Fizz kind of scent, and I've had this perfume for absolutely ages and I absolutely love it, and I forget that I have it sometimes until I use it and I'm like, oh, it just smells so good. Honestly, this perfume is just nostalgia in a perfume. It smells amazing. Honestly, if you can buy this next Christmas, just buy it and thank me later because it's so good and I cannot recommend it enough. And I am getting sad because I am starting to notice that it's going down and down and down, and I just don't want to run out. So this is my favourite. I've loved this for the past few weeks and it smells amazing. So that's everything for my February favourites. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know I didn't love overly loads this month, but these are the things I've really been reaching for, so I thought I would still do a favourites video, and I hope you guys enjoyed. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe. As I say in every video, I have a giveaway coming so soon. You don't want to miss it because it's going to be amazing. Also, if you haven't already, make sure you follow me on Instagram because that will be one of the rules of the giveaway. So if you haven't followed my Instagram, it's always linked in the description. But yes, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys!